Sawan is here, and what better way to celebrate this auspicious season than with some light, sattvik and flavorful recipes. So today we're making 3 Sawan special dishes: Farali Dhokla, Beetroot Tikki and Lauki Halwa. Let's get started. Let's first start with a fluffy and light Farali Dhokla. For this, prepare the batter by mixing singhara flour with buttermilk. Let the batter rest for about 2 hours. It should neither be too runny nor too thick. Now to flavor the batter, add a mix of roasted peanut powder, chopped green chilies, ginger and roasted cumin seeds. Season with salt and a little sugar. Now time to steam the batter. For this, add a teaspoon of oil for moisture, then pour the batter into an idli steamer or a pressure cooker without the whistle. Steam this for 15 to 20 minutes. While the dhokla is steaming, make a quick chutney. Saute cumin seeds and green chilies in ghee, blend with roasted peanuts and curd and season with salt and sugar. This gives you a rich raita-like dip. Now once the dhokla is cooked, cool slightly and top with a tempering of ghee and cumin seeds. Served with the chilled chutney, it's light, tasty and vrat-friendly. Now let's make crunchy beetroot tikkis. For this, in the mixing bowl, add boiled and mashed beetroot and elephant yam. Now season with salt and a pinch of sugar, ginger garlic paste and a squeeze of lemon juice. Now add rajgiri flour. This acts as a natural binder to keep the tikkis together. Now mix everything well to form a dough-like mixture. Now grease your hands and shape small rounds or flat tikkis and shallow fry them in hot oil until crispy on both sides. Now place the tikkis on paper towels to drain excess oil and serve them hot with a chutney or sauce of your choice. Now let's move on to the last but not the least dessert, Lauki Halwa. For this, take a medium-sized lauki and cut it in half and grate it using a regular grater. This will give you about 2 cups. Now make sure to save the water from the grated lauki. We will use this in the cooking process. Now heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add the grated lauki along with the water and mix well. Once the water reduces, pour in 3/4 cup of milk and let it simmer. After about 3 to 4 minutes, add half cup of sugar and mix again. Let the mixture cook until it thickens and becomes glossy. Now transfer the halwa to a serving bowl and top with roughly chopped almonds. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. Either way, it's delicious. So yeah, here goes your Sawan special thali. Sweet Lauki Halwa, soft Farali Dhokla with chutney and crispy beetroot tikkis. Pure, flavorful and perfect for the season.